One of the most common questions that I get about my hair is how do I get rid of frizziness? So today I'm going to show you guys what I use to help keep my hair frizz-free. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and if you are new here, my name is Joshua, and today we're talking about frizz. So how does hair get frizzy in the first place? Well, frizziness is a byproduct of your hair being too dry and having nothing in there to help moisturize it, and then when you add natural things such as humidity in the air, you're looking at a perfect recipe for frizzy, poofy, not fun to deal with hair. But I'm gonna show you guys the products that I use to help keep my hair frizz-free. And one disclaimer for you guys before I get into these products that I use to help reduce the frizziness in my hair, none of these products are guaranteed to get rid of frizz or poofiness altogether with your hair. Like, you're not gonna have this perfect slick hair all the time. But what these products will do is help reduce the amount of frizziness and poofiness that you have with your hair. Now, the first thing that you'll want to do to help reduce the overall frizziness or poofiness of your hair is just stop washing it so often. So when you shampoo your hair, you're actually stripping all the natural oils from your hair that can help moisturize the hair and the hair follicle. And like I've said already, frizziness is a byproduct of dry, unmoisturized hair. So if you're always shampooing your hair, you're constantly removing those natural oils that can help moisturize and keep your hair from frizzing and poofing out and making your battle with the frizz that much more difficult. But you will have to eventually shampoo and condition your hair at some point. And so when I do that, I use the Sun Bum Curls and Waves shampoo and the conditioner. This product is great for those who have curly to wavy hair and may deal with frizz or poofiness more often. The shampoo and conditioner are enriched with kukui nut oil, manoi coconut oil, and seaweed protein, which can help moisturize your hair and reduce the overall frizziness of your hair when you have to shampoo and condition your hair. Now, obviously, you can't be just using shampoo and conditioner to help reduce the frizziness of your hair. One, like I said, you don't want to be shampooing and conditioning all the time with your hair. You don't want to be stripping those natural oils. So then the question is, what products am I using in between shampooing and conditioning with the Sun Bum Curls and Waves shampoo and conditioner? So the first product I'm using on a day-to-day basis is hair oil. I'm currently using the Blue Mon Cloud Control hair oil. I've talked about this in past videos and why I think hair oil is so great for your hair, but it just basically helps nourish and give your hair a good shine to it, make it really look healthy and alive and not dry and frizzy. And then it also helps control for frizziness and flyaways. Now, hair oil isn't something like another hair product where it's gonna add any hold or anything to your hair, and it's not gonna remove the frizziness and flyaways completely, but it can help reduce them. One thing to note when using a hair oil, be very sparing with it, because if you use a lot, you're just gonna look like you have this greasy head and you've never washed your hair in your life, which is not ideal. It's probably almost worse than having frizzy, poofy hair. And the second day-to-day product that I'm using to help manage my frizz is leave-in conditioner. I'm using the Sun Bum 3-in-1 leave-in, and I absolutely love this product. It's great for helping detangle my hair, and it conditions my hair, which is the main ingredient to help combating frizziness as it moisturizes your hair. And the last day-to-day product that I use to help get rid of frizz, and currently my favorite product to use in my hair, is the Sun Bum Curls and Waves Styling Cream. This product is currently my favorite product that I'm using in my hair because it has a light hold, so I can keep my waves that I'm going for without having to deal with the frizziness and puffiness that comes with having wavier to curlier hair. So if you have waves or curls, this is a great product to look at to keep those waves and curls that you enjoy without having to deal with the frizziness or any of the other puffiness that comes with having waves and curls. The Sun Bum Curls and Waves Styling Cream uses the same ingredients that the shampoo and conditioner does, and it has the same scent. So if you're going for that beachy summer vibe that the shampoo and conditioner give you, the styling cream is a great way to top off your hair so that you smell great and you look great. And that is it for how I manage frizziness with my hair and keep my hair from looking so poofy all the time. I know that dealing with frizzy and poofy hair can be really annoying and very disheartening, because if you're like me and you're growing out your hair and you feel like you just have this giant cotton ball on your head of just craziness, and you're like, I just can't stand this, I want to cut it. Finding products like this can really help you to manage that frizziness and puffiness so that you can continue your hair growth journey without having to worry so much about feeling like you look like the end of a Q-tip. And so with that, if you guys like this video, show it some love by hitting that like button and leave a comment letting me know if you use any products that help control your frizz and puffiness. And as always, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can get updates on when I'm uploading my next video. Thanks for watching.